I live inside my own world of make-believe.
Hey guys, today I'm doing an Aldi haul. It's not a huge one. It's about $50 that I spent on myself and things for the kids. There are mostly keto friendly items, a couple that are not, and I will definitely let you know what are not. So here it all is. Let me unpack it and then we'll get into it. Alright, so here we go. I got some grapes. These were 89 cents a pound. I got those for the kids. Mini bagels for the kids. 2 loaves of bread for the kids. I didn't realize I grabbed 2 different kinds. Either way, it was only 85 cents each. They like to make peanut butter and jelly sandwiches and everything like that. So got 2 packs of chicken thighs. I wanted boneless, skinless, but they didn't have that. All they had was this skin on, bone on. One was $4.12, one was $3.72. So that's what we're gonna have. I need to figure out what I'm gonna do with it. I needed almond milk, so $1.79 each. I like the unsweetened vanilla. Blueberries were on sale for $1 something. I can't remember, but it's a nice size. I like those. Also, their strawberries were on sale for $1.29, so I got 2 packs of those. I absolutely love strawberries, and if I don't get to eating all of them, usually my kids do, but if I don't, I freeze them. And the same thing with the blueberries. I freeze them, and then I'm able to use them in smoothies and frozen in some yogurt, etc., etc., without going to a waste. So once they start going bad, do that. These were actually on sale, and I think it's because the boxes were damaged. Actually, I know it's because the boxes were damaged, because the sell-by date is not until September 15th. These were $1.39 each, so I like to get those for the kids. They enjoy them. Got 2 packs of these snack and cheese, mostly for the kids. I might have one here and there. They were like $1.79 each. I've not seen this before yet at Aldi. This is restaurant style guacamole. This is chunky, and the macros looked pretty decent. They are 2, let me see, can I see that? I want you to see that. I'm trying to read it through here. There's 1 fiber. My camera's gonna die. 2 grams total net carbs and 1 fiber. So that's not bad. I don't remember the price on these. It was 2 something, but I got 2 of them. This I'm excited about. Now, crackling curls are a lot harder than regular pork rinds, but these are delicious, you guys. 0 carbs, 7 grams protein, 6 grams of fat. It's just fried pork fat with skin and salt. They were $1. I got 2 of those, and then I got this one. This is the spicy. Now the spicy just says fried out pork fat with attached skin, salt, monosodium glutamate, and red pepper. Nightshades. I'm gonna eat it. I'm in a spicy mood, okay? They still have the old snap. They're completely out of the regular. I like the spicy ones, so I got those. Those were $1.15. Got some oranges for the kids. Some peanut butter for the kids. I'm in the mood for like some sort of something with spicy brown mustard. I don't know what's going on with me. Got a bunch of tuna fish. 69 cents. This is the one in oil. It's cheaper than the one in water. And the kids don't mind it. And their eggs are still 40 cents. So guess what? More hard-boiled eggs. The kids are going to be eating eggs. They love eggs. Corey can make them eggs for breakfast. They can have eggs for lunch, what have you. So this is what I got for, oh, and a gallon of milk, but it's already in the refrigerator. But this is what I got for $52 at Aldi.